to touch. Today we're going to start about ostrich. Do you know ostrich? Ostrich live in Africa. Ostrich is a very big bird in the planet. Ostrich is bigger than my dad and your dad. They can grow to 9 feet tall. Ostriches cannot fly, but they are very fast runners. Ostrich has very strong legs. Ostrich eats seeds, grass, plants, grains, and little animals and little insects. Ostrich has very small brain, but they have very big eyes, very big eyes. Hope you enjoyed